Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for January. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies that we see for you starting Jan, and also we'll go ahead and check what are the energies for your partner. Now please remember, the first row is for you, the second row is for your person, but feel free to flip if you find that the energies are flipped here. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what are the messages we have for you. The first card that I see for you is Queen of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords. Person B here has Eight of Swords, Knight of Swords, and the Two of Wands. With this, we'll also go ahead and see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have Eight of Pentacles, which means a lot of hard work will be required to go ahead and maybe, balance things, and also to go ahead and fix a situation if right now both of you are facing some challenges. Now, from the first set of cards, I see you have Queen of Pentacles, which means that you're focused too much towards finances, and you're also going ahead and making sure that you have enough finances in place so that in case of any emergency you don't have to go ahead and run around. The second card for you is Six of Pentacles, which is the sharing card. In some cases there could be some kind of sharing that you're doing. The third card here is Page of Swords, which is a very immature energy, but with that you want to have an honest conversation with someone. Now for person B, your partner, the first card is Eight of Swords, which means that they are feeling stressed out and they're feeling guilty about something. There could be a situation where this person has maybe done something, or there is something that they have not informed you, and because it's a secret that they are hiding from you, that's why it's something which is giving them a lot of stress and they feel guilty as well. Now the second card here for this person is Knight of Swords, which means they want to rush in and talk to you about it. And the third card being Two of Wands. In some cases this person may be sharing their time with another person, because wands indicate passion, sex, physical attraction. So in some cases, if this person was also dealing with somebody else, that is something that they may not have expressed to you, and they have not yet told you that this is what was happening. Now again, this is not for everybody, this may be for only some of you. The other thing that can also happen is this person was dealing with something else, something that is a secret till now, and that is what they want to go ahead and discuss with you eventually. Now the mutual feeling that both of you have is Two of Pentacles, which means both of you are juggling, trying to balance two situations. The blockage here is Nine of Swords, which means both of you are stressed, both of you are having sleepless nights. And the outcome that I see here is Six of Cups. With Six of Cups, it means that whenever both of you are alone, you both go ahead and sit and remember the sweet memories that both of you have, and you're trying to think if there is a possibility where you can go ahead and just correct things and revive this relationship altogether. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card that I see is Two of Swords, Queen of Cups, and Three of Swords. Now Two of Swords means confusion. There could be something that is causing them confusion. They are not able to decide. The second card is Queen of Cups, which means a very loving energy. They want to go ahead and focus on love, affection, and care, and they want to go ahead and build a future with you because they feel emotionally connected to you. Now the third card here is Three of Swords, which is not a very good card. Three of Swords means heartbreak, third party situation, dealing with two people at the same time. So there's a little bit of cheating, a little bit of heartbreak, so that's not a very good energy to be in. Now let's see what is the message that we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message I see for you is balance spirituality with practicality. This means that there is balance which is missing right now in your relationship, and you need to work on maintaining balance. Now let's quickly also go ahead and see what is the message that we have from the archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Azurite. The crystal messages, do you want to improve and trust your intuition? Activate your third eye and exercise your sensory gifts. You will receive messages from the divine all the time. It is now time to notice the signs, interpret them, and use them for higher guidance to create ease in your life. Now, with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Raziel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.